Okay, the last one we are studying how to multiply the numbers without pen and paper. Do you remember that? Okay, then one example. So again one word problem is here. Under the noon meal scheme, 150 grams of rice is allotted per day for each child. Each child in a high school. 1240 children are in this scheme. How many kilograms of rice is needed per day? Okay, then noon meal scheme. 150 gram of rice allotted per day. Per day allotted how many grams? 150 gram. Per day. Per day what? 150 grams. Okay. Then how many children? Number of children. What is number of children? Then 1240. Then we want to find out what? How many kilograms of rice is needed per day. Then how many kilograms? We want to find out the kilogram. How many kilograms needed to rice? Rice in kilogram. We want to rice in kilogram. How to find out this? How to find out? Then we are right what? 1240 into 150. Okay. In this problem, we first of all we splitted this 150 in two. How to split this 150? How to split it? 100 plus 50. 100 plus 50, 150. So we can write like this. 150 equal to 100 plus 50. So we can write this problem 1240 into 100 plus 1240 into 50. Do you remember how to write this problem? Can you find out how to write this problem? Then the last section we are studying without pen and paper. We find out the answers. Same method we can use here. Same method we can use here. 150 we split here. 150, 100 plus 50. So we can write 1240 into 100 plus 1240 into 50. Then no need to space here. So I can write here. Okay. Then so do it. 1240 into 100. Same method we can use 1240. Write this 100. How many 0? 2 0. So put here 2 0. So we can read this number 1,24,000. Read this number 1,24,000. Same method we can use 1240 into 50. Here what? 2 zeros here. Then kept these 2 zeros here. So we do 124 into 5. No need to 0 right here. So we can multiply only number. Kept the 0 here. Okay. Then you do it 5 into 4. 5 4s are 20. 0 is right here. 2 is right. 2 is the carryover. 5 into 2 what? 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 12 and is the carryover. Okay. Then 5 1s are 5 plus 1 6. What is the answer? Here we got 620. So we can put here 2 zeros 6 2 0. Again put this 0 and this 0 2 0. We got what? 62,000. Okay, 62,000. So we add these two numbers. Add these two numbers. Got it? Then can write these two numbers 1,24,000 plus 62,000. 1,24,000. 62,000. Add these two numbers 0, 0, 0. 4 plus 2 what? 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 2 8. 1. Then what is the answer? What is the answer? 1,86,000 gram. But we want to find out rice in kilogram. We want to find out rice in kilogram. We already know that 1000 gram equal to 1 kilogram. You should study this. Okay. 1000 gram equal to 1 kilogram. This is gram. The grams converted into kilogram are divided by 1000. Then we want to find out rice in kilogram. So we got gram here. So we converted into kilogram. How to convert? So we can write 1,86,000 divided by 1000. Then how to divide this 1000? Here is 30. Then so we can cut it these 30. We got what? How to divide? Here 1000 has 30. Here also 30. Then so we can divide the 1000 is. Then cut it these 3 zeros. Then we got what? We can got 186 kilogram. The rice in kilogram in one day, how much? 186 kilogram. Okay, first of all we split 150, 150. So we do the multiplication. Then again we addition these two numbers. We got 1,86,000. So this is in gram. We want to write what? Rice in kilogram. How to find out gram converted into kilogram? Divided by 1000. So we can, 1000 has 30, so we can cut it these 30. Okay. Then we got 186 kilogram. 86. Then do like this. This 30 and this 30 cut it. Okay. Divided by 1000. We got 186 kilogram. Understood this, sir? So children, we finished our first chapter now. If you have any doubt, the last section you can ask the Google Meet time. Okay, now we are finished. Now we have finished our first chapter. Now we are going to start our second chapter. Chapter 2, when lines join. Do you know what is lines? You look around. You look around. Can you see anything? Lines. Okay, you are seeing so many lines. Then some lines are straight lines, some lines are then slanted line. What is the straight line and slanted line? Do you know what is a straight line and slanted line? Straight line. What is straight line? What is this? These are the straight line. These are the straight line. Easy. Yes, sir. Next is slanted line. What is the slanted line? Slanted line. What is a slanted line? Do you remember your LKG class? You studied the slanted line left, slanted line right, straight line, sleeping line. Do you remember that? This is a slanted line. This type of lines is called what? Slanted line. Now the when lines joining the chapter, the first we have to study what? We are discussing the straight line and the slanted line. Then you know that all the geometrical figures making with the lines. That you know that. All geometrical figures drawing with the lines. You know what is how to draw the rectangle. How many lines we are joining to making the rectangle? You look here. This is one straight line. This is what? This is a rectangle. These the four lines is what? This is a straight line. So that's we are discussing the geometry. All the geometrical figures making to what? Made with the lines. All geometrical figures made with the lines. This is the rectangle. This is also one geometrical figures. These are how many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4. These four lines are the straight line. These four lines are what? These are the straight line. Okay. These figures made with the straight lines. Understood? Then I draw one figures. This is what these two sides. This up and down. These are the straight lines. What about the sides? Right side and left side. These are the slanted lines. Okay. Then in these figures make two straight line and two slanted lines. Understood all? What is the straight line and what is the slanted line? These are the straight line. This is the straight line. This rectangle made with four straight lines. Look at this one quadrilateral. Look here. This is what? These are straight line. These are slanted line. Understood all? Understood. The right line. These are the right line. These are the left line. Okay. These are the straight line and the slanted line. Two types of lines. Okay. Next we want to study the quadrilateral. What is a quadrilateral? Quadrilateral. Do you know what is example of quadrilateral? Example of quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. What is this quadrilaterals? This quadrilateral means four sides. What is quadrilateral means? Four sides. And can you say four sides? One figure with the four sides. Can you see? Then what is square, rectangle? Then solve what? These are the quadrilaterals. The example of quadrilaterals are square and rectangle. These are twos are how many sides? And draw one quadrilateral. This is what? Square. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. Quadrilateral means what? 4 sides. The one figures with 4 sides, that figures is called what? Quadrilateral. Understood? So many quadrilateral. Can draw the so many quadrilateral. This is what? This is also another quadrilateral. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Then also we can draw the next one. This is also quadrilateral. But then you should understand one thing. What is? Do you remember one thing? The quadrilateral has 4 sides. Quadrilateral has 4 sides. Okay. Then the square is the quadrilateral. Next also the rectangle. This also what? This also 4 sides. The rectangle also is quadrilateral. Understood all? Then you say how many these lines with these figures made with the slanted line or straight line. Slanted line or straight. These all made with what? Straight lines. Understood? This one rectangle also made with what? Straight lines. This also. See, this is the right side is what? Right line. Right line is RIGHT. Right line. What is right line? Straight or upright. Upright. Upright means straight up. Upright or such as slanted. See, this is the right line. Right line is upright means what? Straight up. Straight line. Slanted means slanted line. Then right line is what? Upright. Right line is what? Upright. What is the left line? This is the left line is what? Left line is what? Slanted. Left line is slanted. Do you understand? So given so many figures is given how to find out which sides are, which lines are upright or slanted. Understood? How to first check the right line. Right line what? Straight up means upright. Right line. This is the left line. Left line is slanted. So we can write left line is slanted. And look at this figure. This is what? Right line is slanted. Right line is slanted. What is about the left side? left side is straight line, straight up. Understand? Understood? This is right line is slanted, left line is upright. Upright means straight up. So you remember one thing, the quadrilateral means four sides. When the geometrical figure has four sides, that figure is called what? Quadrilateral. Understood? Quadrilateral means four sides. Understood all? Then you want to identify how to find out the upline, upright and slanted line. Also understood. Okay children. Now we are discussing the second chapter, straight line and slanted line. Understood all of you? Okay, let's wind up the class now. Then we will meet the next time. We'll catch up later. Bye.